Moving on, we'll welcome our friends from Phenome Networks with their presentation, Data Management Platform, Not What You Thought.
Hello, everybody. My name is Erez. Nobody can pronounce it. Don't even try. I go by Eric. I represent Phenome Networks, and I'm here to. It's a little difficult for me to talk after Ben. It was a riveting presentation about fungi, and I'm going to talk about something completely different, about the importance of data management, specifically the next generation of data management platforms, and what it actually can do for all of you in the seed industry. So bear with me. I know it's not going to be as riveting, but still, very important to understand that a data management platform is actually not what you always thought. So when you're looking at your current situation, it does not really matter whether or not you're using an old school data management platform or you're actually using Excel. Usually when you're going to the field, you're going to be using pen and paper to collect observations about the phenotypes, doing phenotyping. Well, quick question, what happens if it rains? What happens to all your data? Then, as you come back to the office or in the field, you still need to take pictures with a camera or an SLR, with your phone or with an SLR, right? I'm guessing some of you have done this. The question is, how do you actually connect that to the specific plant or germplasm? Then you actually need to upload all of this information or sometimes synchronize it to Excel. I see some of you guys are nodding. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. Well, the question is, how do you actually back up all the system? What happens if your computer is lost, if it's infected by a virus? And furthermore, how many errors are actually being done in the process just because it's a long process? But furthermore, usually the data will be only available to the person holding the laptop. How do you share the information? And if you have 35 or 3,500 Excel spreadsheets, how do you actually make the connection between them? And unification of data. You have different people in different, maybe countries, conducting different field trials. How do you unify all of your data? There has to be a better way. And that's what I'm here to talk about. Because if you think about it, you're all making decisions. And good decisions are based on only one thing: good data. More good data, and that's what we're talking about. Pedigree tree, right? How long would it take? Are you at all even able to produce such a pedigree tree? This is what we're talking about our next generation of data management platforms. So in definition, just very shortly, an end-to-end platform that can handle everything that you would need it to do. And the goal is to drive innovation into your daily activities. So I know some of you are going to be talking about automated data collection, and you see this is a very congested slide about all the different things that are involved with data collection and data management. When we're talking about data, a next generation data management platform, it should include all of the above. Now, when you're thinking, I need to get a data management platform, that guy knows what he's talking about. Usually, what you'll be thinking, oh, it's an expense. I need to buy 2 new chairs, another desk, and a data management platform. Well, guess what? It's actually a great producing return on your investment. It's a great investment, and it will make you money. How is it going to do that? We actually see that there's a short-term gains to be made and also long-term gains. Let me elaborate. In the short term, we're going to save you money. We're going to streamline your processes, and we're going to make sure that your people are way more productive, get way more accurate data way faster. That leads to better decision making. As I said, you're going to make better decisions based on more data and more precise data. And we're going to make sure that the data collection is as efficient as can be. But then in the long term, if you're thinking about moving to the next stage, about genotypic, about marker-assisted breeding, you need to have a platform that can support all of that activity. More than that, you're talking about lowering your risks of legal actions. We're all familiar with CBD, Nagoya protocols, and all that. You need to be able to prove where you got the germplasm. You'll have all that in the palm of your hands. Then you need to secure the value, the valuation of your company is actually your data. You need to keep it secured. And lastly, when you want to sell a seed, or hopefully sell your company, make an exit as it's called, you want to be able to prove exactly what you've done so far. All of that and more you're able to reach with the next generation data management platform. Any questions so far? Really quickly? Okay, I was not aware that we're not supposed to ask questions. So let me move forward. So, what are the needs of when you're looking out there for a data management platform? What you'd want it to do, number one is security. You need to make sure that your data, which is your intellectual property, is secured. And you want to make sure that you never lose any data ever again. Then you want it to be available. Many people in many countries at the same time having access to your data. Scalability. Actually, I was asked that just 2 minutes ago in a meeting. Because it's easy for a company to provide a platform that would serve 2 people with 20 experiments. You need a company that can scale up and handle any number of users and any size of data. Then remote data collection, usually using a mobile application. Connectivity, the ability to connect to any other data management platform, any other devices. And lastly, you want to make sure that it's intuitive and it's easy to learn and easy to use. I want to introduce you to our company, Phenome Networks. We're currently the global leader in this field, been in business for 15 years, serving currently over 2,500 clients, researchers, breeders, variety testers, working for over 150 customers, companies and organizations across the world. And we are a team of researchers from the breeding industry. So we actually bridge the gap between the breeding industry and the high-tech industry. So this is a few screenshots of our abilities to serve you. So if you're looking at a specific germplasm, this would be in our ability to provide with a click of a button on your entire database. And if you look, you see the green circles are hybrids, the orange ones are selections, above the germplasm is the ancestors, below offsprings, so you can track all of your pedigree trees on your entire database. This is the same pedigree tree, only in a format of a table, where you see above the line is the ancestors, below the line offspring, and you can see advancements of the traits from generation to generation. Then this is the ability to collect observations in the field. As I mentioned before, unification. All of your data is going to be collected on the same scales, so wherever you are, you know that all of your data is of the same level. All of the data on all of your germplasm is available. This is our field map design ability. When you're going to design your field maps, analytical tools that we are offering, including environment versus germplasm, bar plot, normalized values, so a lot of statistical tools, the multiple trait heat map, giving you in a single glance exactly all of your traits and all of your germplasm. And that was me. So again, no questions. We are in booth number 1004, 1004, just outside the doors on the left. And thank you for listening.